Welcome to another Love to RV Travels 24, the Alaska Tour number 33. As we head out from leaving the baby Nugget City RV Park in Nugget City, Yukon, Canada. Very nice place, rated about an 8, full hookups, family business, great food there. Today's a travel day about 260 miles down the road. And then as we're talking, look, this is our turn. Whoops, I missed the turn. It looked like a driveway. I didn't think it was a turn. Oh well. We did eventually turn around up here somewhere and came back. Got ourselves back on track. So you did turn around. Now we need to turn on the correct road. The Cassier Highway will be on now. Now we're back on track. All good. We're following Ron and Linda. So we stayed with our pack. The gas station there to the right also. Another RV park up here to the right that looked like it was closed. This is coming back into British Columbia. Ran in all kind of weather this day. They recommend the road speed is only like 45 miles an hour in certain spots. And ran a bunch of little rainstorms. This road's a little narrower. Yeah. So weather cleared up a little bit down the road. We stopped at the Jade City. There's Jade mines in this area. Middle of nowhere. Jade City. Us.
This is Jade. Cut. Boom. Look, a telephone.
I said that.
Moving around.
Like that before?
Oh, yeah, that was good. It is.
You guys can stop that long?
It'll take like 6 days. We stayed like a couple days. Supposed to be the white person.
I found your.
What's your Jade?
So here we go to Jade City, the Cassier Mountain Jade store. It's a tourist area. Stop in. Dease Lake RV Park is our next stop for the day. It's just a quick night stop. Got some fuel, cleaned the window. $146, 22 gallons. 7 miles a gallon. And across the street is the RV park. Met our wagon master. A couple nice old trucks to the right. Dodge and a Ford, I think. I don't recall. Put in the comments. What the heck? Anyway, Dease Lake RV Park, Dease Lake, British Columbia, Canada. Not too bad of a spot. Got some green grass. They did have full hookups. Only 30 amp. Terry was helping me come on in, make sure everything's cool. And get a little aerial view of the place. In this place, for some reason, the sparrows were attacking the drone. You see them flying by. There were like 10 of them were really close. And so I stayed low. That's all our big rigs in this joint. We're a small rig for all the other big guys. But a beautiful place, beautiful day. The next day's of travel, part of this adventure from Fantasy RV Tours. It was great. Nice morning. Got a little rain that night. The place is actually really nice. Little tight spaces. We had a dinner there also. Full hookups, 30 amp. And they did have a nice laundry service there. Laundry rooms. The bathrooms are clean. So stay there, check it out. Stay a little longer than we did one day. But there's fuel across the street and a little store. The roads on this journey were different, a little challenging in some sections. I do recommend the top speed of 45 to 50 miles an hour on this road, but this actually was really not too bad. It wasn't washboard, it was just lightly graveled. So you see I'm going 44 miles an hour uphill. Caught up to Ron and Linda again, and interesting bridge. Wish you were able to hear the sound. There is one clip here, you can hear the sound. Going across this bridge is weird. And it's narrow. So this time you hear some sound. Bridge, Wilson River, I don't know why I remember that, but it's a wooden deck bridge. Again, narrow. So I just followed Ron, and away we went. There's one on the other side. There's definitely an advantage out here in Alaska. There's not much traffic on the outer areas. This was the Bell No. 2 Lodge. Half our group did eat here. They advised it was really good. We had leftovers from the previous night, so we ate in our rig. We'll do some mining operations here. Via helicopter service. So helicopters transport goods, fuel, commodities, supplies, to some mines that are up north. Here's an A-Star going to take off. He has a long line to pick up some supplies, take it to some mine up the road. But that one does have the Stokes on the side, so they use medical for that one too. Wouldn't want to be the guy on the side of it, on the Stokes there. So he just literally just goes across the way here and picks up some supplies. And I guess it's cheaper to fly it in, or maybe there's no place access. Don't know. He picks up this round cylinder. It could be fuel, it could be water, it could be, I don't know, or a canister full of stuff. But just for that little, it must be cost effective to fly it in. So we're back on the road, the Cassier Highway, heading to Seward. And not too bad, this road. This is the Bear Glacier. Other parts of the Bear Glacier. We decided we need to get some more fuel, so we topped off here in Seward. This was a little bit difficult to get in and out of. Again, there's only two. This one they said to use because it's better for RVs, but it's out in the back to go around. But we made it. This way I get to clean the window off a little bit so you can see better on our next trip. For a fuel stop, clean the windows. 253 miles, $153, 26 gallons. Did a little bit better on the fuel, 8.5-ish miles per gallon. But that road wasn't terribly bad, just certain sections had some gravel. In our instructions from our wagon master Dan, way over there. Just follow Jeff. You're following. Okay. So this was actually a unique site. You notice all those people were pulled in. That's what we are too. We're pulled inward. And then someone comes up beside us and backs in. And the pedestal's there to our left. So it's kind of an interesting spot. So then opening the door was a little challenging, but it worked out well. We stayed here 2 days. Let's see, mini waterfalls.
That's what I did this time.
Look out for mosquitoes.
Skeeters are out.
You have to take a 4-wheel drive to get to, it's called Salmon Glacier. I went with Ron and Linda. I really highly recommend a 4-wheel drive. I don't think our Honda would have done very well through there. But this is, you see people there, this is called the Salmon Glacier, one of the biggest glaciers in Alaska. And like I said, see people there, it's huge, just mind-boggling. Most of our group, just beautiful scenery all the way around. Check that out. We had a beautiful day. That was awesome. There's someone standing to the left. Lucky me, taking a picture. A couple of the Jeeps in the group were driving in. Actually had 6 Jeeps, the other 2 left before we took the picture. This is Ron and Linda, a couple of people we followed most of the time, and Terry and Karen. And this is Dan and Anne-Marie. And the Glacier. It looks like Trina, but it's not Trina. It's a surprise, it's Janet from Canada. One of our Canadians on our trip. But yeah, it was beautiful scenery. These two look like they're in this kind of discussion about something. But that was a huge glacier. It receded. It used to be in there one time, but it has receded, they said. This is back on our way back out. This is the Bear Glacier area. This is the town of Idaho. It's actually, we're in the U.S. and going across the border was quick and easy. There was nothing. Show your passports. It's only on the Canadian side to get back in. The Seward. This is, again, Bear. Another glacier called Bear Glacier. This is drone shots. It was very, very windy. I'm surprised the drone even flew. But that is some drone footage. I just went back and the drone flew away. There's the road. Quickly look. Ah, there it is. Okay. And the next day I flew over our campsite, the Bear River. This is the Bear River. As we settle in for the last couple more days of this 52-day fantastic RV trip through Alaska. We had dinner here also provided. Beautiful mountain ranges all the way around. Most of our group went down the line. Nice little picture. Some weird creatures. And by the way, guess what showed up? It's a Bear River, and we got some grizzlies that walked right by us, right by the campsite. Anyway, thank you for watching these videos. More to come. Subscribe, comment, and like, and love and hugs to all.